Creating animation videos has never been easier, especially with the new and powerful AI tools released almost regularly. This makes it so easy for you to create talking animations for kids' content videos,
You are my best friend.
marketing videos,
This would literally change your life.
and so much more.
Oh my gosh, this is so huge.
In this video, I will be showing you how simple it is to create these kinds of talking animation videos completely free using just 3 free AI tools, including a brand new AI video animation generator, AI image generator, and a secret AI tool that I'll be revealing somewhere in the course of the video that can easily help you to create scripts, talking animation,
Thank you for watching the video.
create lip sync,
It's time to put the zoo animals to bed.
and even edit your videos all in one. Crazy stuff. So make sure you stick around and let's get started. In order to, you have to copy what works and add your own spin to it. So we are going to copy a video title from YouTube to model from. Inside of YouTube, type in bedtime stories and select the channel Bedtime Story Co. Move over to the video section and select popular and select one of the videos with at least 3 million views and copy the channel link. Now go over to Google and type in YouTube transcript extractor and click on the link as you can see on screen. And when the site opens up, paste in your video link you copied from YouTube into this section and click on go and give it some time, and it will extract the entire script from the video. When it's ready, come over to copy the entire script section and copy the entire script. Now for the second option, let's try to create the entire script. The first thing you must do is to head over to Google and type in HitSpot EdiMaker, or use the link in the description to download the software. This AI all-in-one video editor features everything you're going to need to get this job done, from AI copywriting, AI subtitle generation, AI speech-to-text, AI video generation, and so much more. It is just perfect for the kind of task we are trying to carry out. Hover over to the download section and easily download the software into your system. At this point, if you've been following up on the video, you must have already downloaded the HitSpot EdiMaker into your system. Inside of HitSpot EdiMaker, click on Text option and go to AI Copywriting and select AI Copywriting, and this page will pop up as you can see on screen. And the beauty of this software is that unlike ChatGPT and other AI writing tools, it narrows down your writing into different selected niches, and so you get accurate and prompt results every time. As you can see, we have options for movies and TVs, commercials, relations, and so much more. For the sake of this video, I'm generating a script for a kid's bedtime story, so I'll be choosing the option of movies and TVs. Select above 400 words and paste in this prompt as you can see on screen and generate script. And as you can see, it's easily generating a script for us. After all this is done, we're also going to be needing the AI to create prompts for another AI software to create the videos for us. Paste in this particular prompt you're seeing on screen and also hit on generate, and as you can see, our video prompts are generated. At this point, head over to Leonardo AI and paste in this prompt an image of a gorgeous 13-year-old zookeeper girl who is wearing adventurous clothes, 3D Disney animation style. Then head over to the preset and select graphic design, just as you can see on screen. Then go over to image dimension and select 16 by 9 for YouTube standard, and then for the quality leave it at medium, and trust me, the medium does the job just as well. Now for the first option, we're going to be generating 2D image, so we go for the preset style of 2D and select generate. This is so beautiful, just what we wanted. Just so we can have different options to select from, we will also create another one for 3D. We want to go back to the preset style and select Graphic Design 3D and hit Generate again. And as you can see, these are even better. Images have more depth, texture, and realism to them, so I'll be going with the 3D options. Select the particular image you want and download it into your system. We're going to create the animation video scenes for our kids' bedtime story, and just so we can merge the scenes together with our talking avatar animation, head over to Halo AI and paste in this prompt. Create a Disney-inspired 3D scene of a majestic lion playing with other lions in the savannah. Make sure to include 3D Disney style at the beginning and the end of each prompt. And as you can see currently, it is generating. Now, while it is being created, here's one other clip I was able to create using this software that's also going to be featured in the bedtime story, and this is just beautiful. Now, this is our final footage of our prompt. What do you think of this, guys? Easily download this video into your system, and you want to easily repeat this same step for the rest of the scenes in your story. Head over to HitSpot EdiMaker and download the software into your system. We are going to be creating our talking avatar using this software. While inside of HitSpot EdiMaker, click on AI Avatar as you can see on screen. Click on Talking Photo, and inside of the text area, easily paste in the words you want your image to voice out. Head over to Import Files and click on Confirm. Go into your system and select the 3D image we created in Leonardo AI earlier and click on Open. It is importing into the EdiMaker AI. Select a suiting voice from the voice section to match your image. Choose English, USA, and leave it at Commonly. Take a preview to the available voices and select the best fit, and then hit Confirm. Click on Generate, and it is creating so easily as you can see. HitSpot EdiMaker has completely created our talking avatar, who is also going to be our story narrator for this video. Easily drag and drop it into your timeline and take a listen to it and export it into your device, and this is the result.
It's time to put the zoo animals to bed. Would you like to help? Let's go and see who's still awake.
Guys, this is just mind-blowing. The reason why I prefer HitSpot EdiMaker is that it is simply an all-in-one video editing platform that is packed with the latest AI. Inside of the AI video editor suite, you can easily carry out AI copywriting tasks, generate AI avatar for any project, create talking avatars just as we have done, add lip sync easily and seamlessly to any video of your choice, and so much more. The best part of it all is that you don't have to leave the platform to edit these videos. All you need to do is drag it down to your timeline. As an added bonus for watching till this point, I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can easily generate a lip sync video using HitSpot EdiMaker as well. Now, sitting inside of the AI avatar section, inside HitSpot EdiMaker, select the video lip sync option instead of talking photo. Navigate towards the text box, paste in the desired text you want to lip sync with your video. Select a soothing voice, just like we did. Click on Import Files and import the desired video footage, and make sure this video is silent, then hit Generate, and this is the result.
This would literally change your life.
Still inside the HitSpot EdiMaker, we are going to be putting everything together to create our bedtime story. I'm going to speed it up so as not to take much of the time. You want to click on Import File and select all your generated and emitted scenes, and even your talking avatar narrator as well. Drag and drop your talking avatar at the start of the video, drag and drop your audio files, and easily cut out the areas of awkward silence. And then you want to easily import all your video clips in order of relevance to your timeline. Head over to YouTube Audio Library and select a suitable kids lullaby to include in the clip. Download it and import it into your timeline as well. And after all this is done, export the video. And this is our final result.
It's time to put the zoo animals to bed. Would you like to help? Let's go and see who's still awake.
Hello, Lion. He's been prowling through the savannah all day, and now he's feeling sleepy. Can you say goodnight to the lion and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, Lion. Hello, Monkey. She's been swinging from branch to branch all day, and now she's tired. Can you help tuck the monkey in and wish her a good night? Good night, Monkey. Hello, Elephant. He's been splashing in the water hole with his friends all day, and now it's time to settle down. Can you say goodnight to the elephant and wish him? Thank you. All the zoo animals are tucked up and sleeping soundly. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about all your adventures at the zoo today. Good night, little one. Good night, zoo.